All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. Initiative. Initiative. The ability to think and act suddenly without needing anyone or hesitating or hesitation. Just initiative, just doing it, going, action. Like this guy here, taking the initiative, just go. Yeah. He has a strong initiative because he's always on top. Yeah. So he has to work on his initiative. Yes. She has always had a strong initiative. Yeah. I think that initiative is very important in business and life. Ability to act. How cool is that? Yeah, so he, she, it, they appreciate my ability or my initiative. Yeah. Because I can get things started easily and quickly. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Let's change that a little bit. They appreciate my initiative. Yes. So, with those kinds of initiatives, they will be busy. Different things they have to work on. They will be busy. He, she, I, they. So it is a character building exercise. Character building experience, and will help you improve your initiative. Yes, your drive. Your drive, your get up and go. Go, yeah. Yeah, very good. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, his initiative helped him survive. Yes. When he needed it most, his initiative helped him. When he needed it most, his initiative helped him. He is using his initiative to think and plan ahead. Yeah. I used my initiative to act, organize, and begin recording these videos. Yeah, I knew what I wanted. I know what tools I've got. I combine them together and I use them to build and slowly work towards my goal. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? They will have to have better initiative because things will change. Yeah. Over time, things will not be the same. So you need to have a strong initiative. Yeah. How cool is that? Initiative, because things might change without you even knowing it. Yeah. You have to stay ahead. You have to stay ahead of the curve and up to date with what is happening in the industry. Yeah. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use initiative in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me by searching for English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.